Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be really fun. I had the inspiration to do some DIY lately, and so I thought, why not try to tie-dye? So I've been seeing tie-dye all over Instagram. It's been a very popular trend lately, and I've seen some super cute outfits, and I've never done it before, so I really wanted to try it. And I talked to Andrea, who is my brother's fiance. She also has a YouTube channel, and we have been wanting to record together for a super long time. So I'm gonna go pick her up, we're gonna go buy the stuff, and then come back here and do the whole activity. I know I'm gonna have fun with her. We always have a great time. By the way, she is my brother's fiance who got engaged not too long ago. So if you haven't seen the proposal video, it's in my channel. So you guys get to know her a little bit. She's super fun. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. That being said, let's go and do some shopping. Totally not what we came for.
I know, but it's wonderful. Look, they have a merry-go-round.
Halloween is coming. Okay, so here we have all the paints. I know I want to do pink. I want to do pink and blue.
So while she looks for pink,
They have fabric markers. Have everything. Okay, so we are about to start. There's Andrea with her pajama pants and her night shirt. Yes. We have little Maxie keeping us company. And then we have all the materials. So we ended up getting the RIT dye, which is specifically for fabric. And then we got gloves so we don't stain our hands. And then the cool thing about the tie-dye rubber bands is that you get different like sizes and thickness. Little tube, we're just gonna put the warm water, some dish soap, and the dye that we want to use. And then I'm going to be doing a face mask, a hat, and a crop top. I just have this one. This is like an old crop top that I want to do. So yeah, we're gonna see how everything comes out. I'm really excited. All right, first crunch.
shouldn't you have to crunch it first before you rubber band it, no?
Well, yeah, I was just gonna.
This is where my whole anal OCD is gonna come in because I want it to be like perfect.
No, I don't do perfect.
I do.
I don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm just doing like different knots throughout the shirt. This looks okay. Right? This looks like a poodle.
Mine looks like a messed up tic-tac-toe. There you go.
What I have?
You have a piece of lettuce. I was like, oh, just in case we're there, it's good. I was like,
Be careful with the dye. I don't know how much.
dye in the bottle. I think that's a lot.
No, I think this is okay.
Are you going for red or are you going for pink?
I'll put some back, I guess.
No, it has soap.
No pasa nada.
Too purple.
Yeah, I don't know if this is a little too red. I was actually going for pink.
Alright, let's see. I think our best bet might be taking this to the grass. Alright. Take two. Yours just looks like a murder scene.
Yeah, mine looks like I killed somebody.
So online it says to just
Yeah. I totally Dude, I have a feeling mine is
And I'm gonna go like this to just clean up the rest of the mess that I just made. There you go.
Yeah.
Look, Claudia, perfect. No stain here. Look at my section. Your daughter's section, not so much. Looks like a damn murder scene.
Yeah. This looks like a bloody heart.
In the video. Look at how cute!
Yeah, yours is super cute.
That's right! Wow!
Should I take out the ties to see how it looks? And then I just crunch it back up. Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
I kind of want to open it, not gonna lie.
Yeah, open it. Okay, maybe not too bad.
Hey, super! Jose, it's looking very cute.
It looks cute, I'm excited. I was scared, but...
Let's see. Oh, that's super cute!
Guys, and it's pink.
It looks very cute and it is pink.
It's pink. It's not red. Oh my, I'm proud.
It's cute. It's cute. High five. Good
Attempt
job.
number
My thing is, I don't know if to just leave it purple or to just add pink into it. I'm just gonna go crazy.
You should just add some red. Look how cute.
Yours is a lot cuter because I should have just left one color, but Andrea did what Andrea always does, and she just goes crazy. Oh, it looks super
Oh, it looks
cute.
super cool. It looks super cool.
Wow.
Oh!
No, it came out so cute. I think I'm gonna do my mask purple.
Look!
Maybe not.
I just want to tie-dye everything now. Alright, so this is what the hat is looking like. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out, but we'll see.
We're doing masks now?
Alright, yeah, this is the mask.
Alright, my mask is already crunched up. Let's just go right into it. This looks like pee! It looks like pee! Oh god. That was just such a bad, look at this. That was such a bad idea. I'm just gonna continue at this point because what do we do after that? What do we do? That's cute!
Oh! Oh! It's so cute! Ah! What?
Mine looks like diarrhea.
Not bad.
Not so bad.
It's not horrendous.
It's not bad. Show it closer. And
I need to just add some more blue to it.
I actually like it.
No, I like it like that.
Yeah, it's not bad. I would leave it like that. I think it looks really cool. So the last one that I have is the short sleeve shirt. We just got this one in Walmart. It's like a pack of 3 plain white t-shirts. And so I'm gonna do this one. I don't know which one I want to do this one. I don't want to do blue or purple because I already did that. Very cute.
It's very cute. It's all good. It's all good.
It's definitely very different personalities, okay?
Definitely.
Structured,
Free for all.
free for all. That's what you can tell from our tie-dye experience. Different type of people, you know? She goes crazy, I go safe.
Well, this looks like a 5-year-old had a lot of fun.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
It just needs a lot more blue. We're gonna save it and I'm gonna show you how. No, I think we need a little bit more blue. I think blue is gonna make it pop.
Well, yeah, it's like a big blob. But the shirt came out really cool. The pink did the touch.
So I think this shirt's gonna be donated, for sure.
No, you have to keep it for memories.
So that one's very pretty.
That one's really pretty.
Look at me!
I love that one. Okay, and here are my final pieces. I really like how it came out. Do you want to show you your stuff?
Do I want to? No. So we'll start from worst to best, I would say. This one I got a little carried away with. It's just, I like colors. So,
She likes self-expression.
yeah, I'm feeling a little angry lately, so I guess that's what you see in this corner of my life. But yeah, it was just an ugly color, vomit color, and then I tried to fix it. That didn't work.
No.
And then I guess number 2 was not so bad.
No, I like the mask. The mask is super
the mask
cool.
came out super cute. And then best for last, in my opinion, was this one.
Yes, I love that one.
You
I love
see?
it. Okay, so we just finished everything. We need to wait like at least 8 hours. So we'll wait until tomorrow, wait until the dye sets in, and then we'll do the reveal and the try on tomorrow. So we'll wait for that.
I need to learn self-control.
Kind of. So yeah, we'll wrap things up here and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the try on. Okay, so first up is the hat. I love how the hat came out. I think it looks super cute, and I don't wear a lot of hats, but if I do, I'm usually just wearing like a plain t-shirt. The purple was definitely my favorite dye out of all of them. I love how the hat looks. I wasn't really sure how it was gonna come out because you do need to scrunch everything up, and obviously this part you can't scrunch up. So what I did is that I just put a bunch of ties around the soft part. Visor, I just like sprayed paint on it and sprayed dye on it, and it came out really, really good. To match the hat, I did my mask, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so this is the mask. I love it so much. This was actually the blue dye and it kind of came out bluish, purplish, super fashionable in my opinion. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the two different shirts. Okay, so this is the crop top. I did this one with red dye, but I love it because it came out kind of pink. So I don't know, I showed it to my brother and he's like, it looks like somebody tried to murder you. But I love it. Personally, I'm gonna be wearing it, and this was just an old crop top that I just didn't use and I had it sitting there. So you can totally do this with old clothing that you consider donating. You can just change it up and tie-dye it and it looks really, really cute. I want to do other crop tops and just have like a whole tie-dye crop top collection. I'm really obsessed, as you can tell. And this is the white t-shirt. I feel like this looks really plain, but a way that you can change it up is I really like to roll up the sleeves in most of my t-shirts. So you can roll up the sleeves, and then if you want to make it even more fashionable, I usually like to tie a little knot. I feel like with the knot, it just looks really, really cute. Like this, I would totally wear out. So yeah, I'm really excited to wear this, but my favorite pieces were definitely the hat and the red crop top. This activity was so much fun. You guys should definitely try it. I feel like if you're into fashion or just DIYs, you have to try it. It was actually really therapeutic and like nice to just sit there and splatter paint on clothes. So I really, really enjoyed it, and I love how the clothing pieces came out. So I hope you guys really love this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. I hope you guys have a super wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.